Ramsey.
Well, good morning out there, everybody. I hope you're having a lovely start to your week. It's certainly a little cool out there, so grab the jacket as you head out the door. We got cloud cover coming in from Texas right now. That cloud cover extending into Baton Rouge, and it's going to be with us for the rest of the day today. Right now, the temperatures, again, as I said, are on the cool side, so grab the jacket. 50 in Baton Rouge, 45 in Liberty, 53 down in Napoleonville right now. The winds are pretty light at the moment, but they will not be later today. We have a wind advisory taking effect at 11 a.m. as winds look to pick up in the afternoon, especially in the evening tonight. Future track temperatures by 9 o'clock back into the 60s, then into the 70s for your lunch hour. We could get into the 80s once we get into the afternoon. A high of 80 degrees today in Baton Rouge. North of here, probably only in the mid to upper 70s. And then tonight, 10 o'clock, we're into the 60s. But we stay in the 60s all night long because we have plenty of cloud cover coming in and rain chances going up in the forecast tomorrow, especially in the afternoon hours, as we could have some severe weather moving through the area tomorrow night. Getting a whole lot colder back into the 50s and 40s. Now, let's go ahead and time out this system that we could see because we do have storms on the way. These storms have a chance of becoming severe. So here we go. Today, it's staying quiet, keeping the cloud cover with us. Once we get to tomorrow, this is going to be at 10 o'clock in the morning. Still no rain in our area, but it looks like Point Coupee Parish is about to start seeing some rain at this time, 10 o'clock in the morning. And then those showers and storms begin to move eastward into Point Coupee Parish at noon. And then it looks like they'll move into the rest of the area in the afternoon to evening. Now, we're going to have a very, very strong line of showers and thunderstorms. And the speed that this line moves will ultimately determine how much severe weather we see and how much flooding we see. If it moves fast, that's good. If it moves slow, that's bad for severe weather and possibly bad for flooding as well. Now, this is going to be 6 o'clock right in the middle of our area, and we continue to move through, still seeing storms all the way through 10, maybe even midnight tomorrow. So this is an afternoon to evening event when we'll see these storms passing through the area. Future track rain totals with this system look to be, at least with this computer model, 1 to 2 inches, but depending on the speed of that line of storms, we could see more than this, maybe 2 or even 3 inches of rain. Some areas could see flooding concerns. In fact, we do have a flood watch in effect today. Now, the chance for supercell thunderstorms, rotating thunderstorms, looks to be decent. You see these highlighted areas here showing where conditions would be favorable as that front passes for rotating storms, which produce severe weather as it moves through the region right in the afternoon to evening hours. Now, severe storms will take place today in Texas, where there's a level 3 out of 5 threat, all the way from Dallas down to Austin and San Antonio, and even down to Houston and Galveston Bay, and even in Shreveport. And that threat is going to move eastward as we go into tomorrow to our area. This area not highlighted in just orange, but also red, a level 4 out of 5 threat for severe storms. This is a significant severe weather event, and we are confident that it will occur somewhere within this red highlighted region, whether it be Jackson or Baton Rouge or even Hattiesburg. Severe weather does look likely. Now, the main threats with this system will be significant tornadoes, some of which could be EF2 scale or greater, and maybe even long track tornadoes. Large hail greater than 1 inch in diameter, damaging winds are possible, and heavy rain will also be a concern with this system as we have a flood watch in effect for tomorrow as well, with 2 to 3 inches of rain possibly falling in the thunderstorms. And severe thunderstorms can have really quick bursts of rain, which could cause that flash flood situation. But again, strong winds, about a moderate threat. Tornadoes are the highest threat with this storm, so we have to watch it closely tomorrow. Flooding also a concern with that flood watch in place, and large hail will also be a concern with the storm for tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast showing a high of 80 today, 78 for a high tomorrow, down to 66 on Wednesday, and then it looks like we're in the low 70s Thursday and Friday. The weekend looks to stay nice and sunny.